Welcome. If you want to know how to clear cookies from just the last day in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Maybe you've noticed some sites acting strangely, or you just want a fresh start without losing all your saved logins. I'll walk you through the updated steps to clear cookies from the last 24 hours, quickly and easily. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. Look in the top right corner for 3 small dots stacked vertically. Give those a tap. This opens up Chrome's main menu, where you'll find a lot of useful options. Next, scroll down and tap on History. This page shows all the sites you've visited recently. But we're not here to check your browsing history, we want to clear out some data. So, at the top of the History page, you'll see an option called Clear Browsing Data. Tap on that. Now you'll see a new screen with a few different types of data you can clear. Here's where you need to pay close attention. Make sure Cookies and Site Data is selected. This is what stores your logins, site preferences, and tracking information. Before you clear anything, tap on Time Range. A list will pop up with different options like Last Hour, Last 24 Hours, Last 7 Days, and more. Choose Last 24 Hours to make sure you're only removing cookies from the past day. Once you've set the time range and double-check that Cookies and Site Data is selected, you're ready for the final step. Tap Clear Data. Chrome will take a few seconds to remove those cookies, and you're done. That's it. You've just cleared cookies from the last day in Google Chrome. This can help fix website issues, improve privacy, and keep your browser running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.